Welcome to Restry Health Channel. In this video, we will talk about 5 home and natural remedies to get rid of facial hair, recipes for using sugar to get rid of facial hair, tips to get rid of facial hair, and medical methods for permanently removing facial hair. Facial hair. Many women suffer from the appearance of excess hair on the face area, which makes them feel embarrassed. This is because this problem limits a woman's femininity, not to mention the annoying and bad appearance it gives to the skin. There are many methods used to remove excess hair from the face, but the best of them are natural remedies, which are distinguished by their effective ability to get rid of hair if the woman continues to use it regularly. Here are 5 home and natural remedies for getting rid of facial hair. 1. Turmeric. Mix 3 tablespoons of full-fat liquid milk with 2 tablespoons of turmeric meal, mixing well until you get a soft paste. Then put the mixture on the places you want to remove hair from and leave it for 25 minutes. After that, rinse your face well with warm water. 2. Onions. Bring 2 onions, then remove the membrane between the onion layers. Crush the membrane, then add 12 leaves of flour, and mix well until you get a paste-like mixture. Then put the paste on your skin and leave it for 20 minutes, and then rinse it well with warm water and soap, and it is preferable to repeat this recipe 3 times a week. 3. Papaya. Bring ripe papaya, then mash it well, then add a spoonful of turmeric root powder to it. Mix the mixture well, then put the mixture on the skin of your face, and leave it for 45 minutes. Then rub it with circular motions. After that, wash it with warm water, and keep it. Apply this recipe twice a week. 4. Curd and turmeric. Mix a small amount of ground turmeric with an appropriate amount of curd, then apply the mixture on your skin, and rub it with a little flour. This is to remove the turmeric color, and finally rinse it with water. 5. Honey and lemon juice. Mix 2 tablespoons of natural bee honey with a tablespoon of lemon juice, then bring a piece of cotton, put an appropriate amount of the mixture on it, and rub it on your skin in a gentle manner, for a period ranging from 10 to 15 minutes, and finally rinse it with lukewarm water. Recipes using sugar to get rid of facial hair. Here are some recipes using sugar to get rid of facial hair. Eggs, flour, and sugar. Mix a teaspoon of corn flour with a tablespoon of sugar and egg white, and mix the ingredients well to get a soft dough. Then apply it to the places where excess hair is located and leave it to dry completely. Then remove it with a towel and you will notice the excess hair loss during the removal process. Lemon and sugar. Mix the juice of a lemon with a tablespoon of sugar in addition to a little water. Mix the ingredients well, then put the resulting mixture on the skin of your face and leave it for a period of 15 to 20 minutes. After that, wash it with cold water, and continue to apply this recipe 3 times a week. Tips to get rid of facial hair. To get better results in the process of removing hair from your face, it is recommended that you follow the following tips. 1. Be patient, which is the first thing you should take into account, and bear in mind, until you see the success of these natural recipes that we mentioned above. 2. Try all these natural recipes, according to the time you find convenient for you, as it is the only way by which you can determine which method is most suitable for you from the previous methods of removing facial hair. 3. Drink plenty of water, as well as fruit and vegetable juices. It helps the natural recipes in its work and contributes to facilitating the process of removing facial hair. 4. Take a steam bath before applying these natural recipes, as it helps open the pores of your face, and makes it easier to remove facial hair. 5. Do not neglect to wash your face after applying the natural recipes on it. This helps keep it clean and fresh. 6. Take enough rest every day. It is better for you to sleep well. 7 to 8 hours every night is sufficient time to get rest, as this system will help you provide a stress-free life. 7. Do yoga or meditation. This helps to keep you calm, and this is what contributes to reducing the problem of the appearance of hair on your face. 8. Follow a healthy diet while exercising, as this regulates your hormones and limits unwanted hair growth. Medical methods for removing facial hair permanently. There are many treatment methods that work to remove hair permanently, and you have to go to a professional and reliable person to conduct such methods. We will mention some of them as follows. Laser. This method is used through light pulses that destroy facial hair from its roots, but it does not remove it automatically, but rather increases its fall over time. This method is suitable for people with fair skin and dark hair only, and it cannot be done for others. Electrolysis. This method is the only method that the Food and Drug Organization has agreed to adopt, to be an effective method for permanent hair removal, and how it works is by inserting very small needles into the skin in order to destroy the cell responsible for hair growth in your face. There are two types of electrolysis, namely, the electrolysis method and the mixture, and they can cause scars on your face, especially if you are of dark skin. Therefore, it is not recommended to use them. On the other hand, there is a safe method, suitable for all skin types, and does not leave any marks on your face, which is the galvanic method. Prescription creams. These creams work in a very similar way to the way hair removers in the previous types above work, and although they often do not have the ability to permanently remove hair on their own, there is some evidence that shows their ability to do so in sometimes. Hormone therapy, or taking birth control pills. You can use one of these treatments, depending on your condition, which the doctor diagnoses, where he can prescribe hormone therapy for you, or birth control pills, which also regulate hormones, if you have, for example, thick hair as a result of increased hormones, so these treatments can restore your hair to normal. And thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the alerts button, watch more health videos on our channel, and share this video with your friends to provide benefit to everyone. See you in a new video. Take good care of yourself.